Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the file not found exception error that happens when you're doing Minecraft stuff, or coding Minecraft mods. Now, I have made two previous tutorials on this. I figured I'd combine the two to make it a lot easier, so that you only have to watch one tutorial. Okay, so, first one. Let's say you get a file not found exception error and your files aren't loading, but all the rest of your files are loading, or maybe your files just aren't loading at all. Well, there are three things to do to be sure that nothing is missing. Number one, or technically four. First of all, you just want to make sure that when you look in the file not found exception error, you look at the actual, you look at the path of the error, or the stack trace, and you make sure that the file is actually there, the one that you're calling. Then, once you've made sure that it's just error with IntelliJ, the first thing you want to do is, if you're on Windows, do Control Alt S on IntelliJ, and it'll bring up your settings. You can also go to File. Wait, no. Okay, I forgot where it was. Somewhere here. Oh yes, settings. File, settings, and then you want to go to right here on the left where the panel is. You want to go to Build, Execution, Deployment, open that. Go to Build Tools, open that, and then go to Gradle. You want to select your project. Mine is just crap 1.8.9, so I just click that in the Gradle projects. Then I want to go down to Build and Run and see where it says Build and Run Using, Run Tests Using, and I just say IntelliJ instead of Gradle. And of course make sure this is correct as well. Press OK. Now, second thing to do is to refresh your Gradle project. So click the little tab that says Gradle on the right, and click this Reload All Gradle Projects button. Now, if you have any missing textures, it will take maybe around a minute for it to reload. However, if you don't have any textures missing and everything is correct already, then this will last around like 30 seconds, maybe a little shorter than that. I'm not sure if anything was missing then. So that should reload it. Now, the third thing and final thing to do is go into your project folder, open it up, and just like in our last tutorial, or on how to build your project, you want to do Control Shift right click, click Open with PowerShell to Windows here. If you're on Mac, I showed you the Mac way in my other tutorial, so be sure to watch that. All it consists of is going to the terminal and executing a few extra steps in order to actually enter into your folder via your terminal. Okay, so once you're into your PowerShell and make sure that you are inside of your folder, you just want to do /Gradle w and gen IntelliJ runs. Now this should force it to refresh all of its Gradle assets, etc. You may remember this first part in going into PowerShell and doing /Gradle w build from my last tutorial on how to build your project into a jar. But once you've typed this out, just press enter, and it starts to build it. You can see it says build successful. Now you can exit out, go into your IDE in IntelliJ and run Minecraft. And you might see in the console or the terminal or whatever you have open that whoops, you might see that you have a few errors. So okay, I don't know what I just did. Yep, here we go. You might see that you get a few file not found exception errors, such as here. This is just a language not found exception error. However, these don't actually matter, because if I load up my Minecraft, and let's just delete this world, create a new world called just crap testing world, set it to creative, create new world, and it's loading the terrain, you will see that Minecraft loads up successfully. And if I go into my Creative tab, you can see all of my files have loaded up, all of the textures have loaded up. Same thing here, all of my textures loaded up, and all of them worked perfectly, including my GUI. Same thing with my toilet right here. If I place this, you can see the block model loaded up correctly for both of my blocks, and the GUI works for both of them. Okay, now that you've got that sorted out, if you have any more questions, or if this tutorial did not work for you, be sure to leave a comment below, and I will be sure to respond to it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, and see you guys next time.